To enable low performance mode on your Nintendo Switch, follow these simple steps to help extend battery life and reduce heat during gameplay. This can be particularly useful for long gaming sessions or when playing in handheld mode. Step 1. Access System Settings. Navigate to the home screen and select the System Settings icon, which looks like a gear. This will open the settings menu where you can adjust various options for your Nintendo Switch. Step 2. Select Battery Options. Scroll down the left sidebar and select Battery. This section contains settings related to battery management and performance modes. Step 3. Enable Low Performance Mode. In the battery settings, look for the option labeled Low Performance Mode. Toggle this setting on to enable the mode, which will help reduce the overall performance of the console to save battery life. Step 4. Confirm changes. After enabling low performance mode, make sure to confirm any prompts that may appear. This ensures that your settings are saved and activated properly. Step 5. Exit Settings. Once you have enabled the mode, press the B button to exit the settings menu and return to the home screen. You are now ready to enjoy extended gameplay with reduced performance. By following these steps, you can easily enable low performance mode on your Nintendo Switch, allowing for longer playtime and a cooler device. Enjoy your gaming!